Hello everybody. Today we are going to start with Management Information System. What is it? Management Information System (MIS) is a special kind of information system that helps managers to take decisions. MIS is tailored to provide specific information to individual managers for term, long, and strategic decision making. MIS is used by the middle and top management for their information requirements for decision making. The use of MIS helps to produce the information that organizations need to improve decision making, problem solving, controlling operations, and creating new products or services. Keeping this in view, a number of organizations invest in development of a computerized MIS. The focus of MIS is to provide strategic information required by top management. Major volume of information for top management comes from events not directly related to day-to-day business operations. Therefore, the information from normal reporting system is found inadequate for managers. Therefore, special information system is developed for top management to support their activity, which is not met by other information systems. The following are the characteristics of Management Information System (MIS). Provides reports to management usually in semi-structured format, in detailed summary and exception. Usually uses shared database from many sources, often based on management or statistical models. Information presented in both textual and graphical form, but more often in graphical format. Provides information on trend analysis, exception reporting, and what if analysis. It allows the user to ask questions such as what if we increase price by 10%, the effect on sales of the product if inflation increases by 5%, what will be the effect on the sales forecast. Table 13.3 depicts a sale performance report. Figure 13.6 depicts a bar chart only. Figures 13.7 depicts a pie chart. So here you can see the table sales performance report, and these are all the tables. Okay, yeah, okay, now we will see at the same time. So here are some things written. Okay, let's read it. So this turn of a profit by ratio. Components of MIS. The bulk of information requirement of managers at middle and top levels comes from external non-computer sources like meeting documents, newspaper, telephonic talk, letters, memos, etc. Corporate databases are important for day-to-day operations for the organization. And here at the same time, data from external non-computer sources provides managers with objective information that helps them to make strategic long and near-term decisions. Various components of MIS are shown in figure 13.8 and explained below. So here you can see uh, the external database. External databases are databases that are not owned by the organization, and the organization pays royalty to access these databases. Examples of the database are database of market research group, statistical and demographic organization, etc. Since organization operates in a social environment, it is influenced by various external factors. Impact of these external factors on the long-term goal and success of organization is very important. Top management needs to analyze data from these sources for long-term planning. Corporate database stores data generated by various business processes through transaction processing systems. These can be employed database, customer database, inventory database, etc. Management database. These databases store select data from corporate databases. It generally stores summarized information to the requirements of managers. MIS software. This is used to extract and process information from various databases. It acts as a user interface to the managers. DBMS database management system stores, retrieves, and manages data on various databases. Communication software. This is used to communicate with customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders of the organization. Examples are messaging software or Organization's bulletin board. Decision support systems. In contrast to other information systems which provide general information about organization performance in fixed format to managers, decision support systems provide information to managers which will be helpful to them to make decisions. A manager at a higher level needs ad hoc information for strategic planning and control. Decision support system DSS can be defined as a specific class of information systems that support business and organizational decision making activities as needed to managers. A property design DSS is an interactive software based system intended to help decision makers compile useful information from raw data, documents, personal knowledge and or business models to identify and solve problems and make decisions. The following are the major characteristics of decision support system DSS: help decision makers to take decisions rather than replace them, use underlying data and models, have little or no reasoning capacity, are tailored to directly support decision making styles of individual managers, support interactive inquiries and responses, are used to aid semi structured and structured decisions, produce information on ad hoc flexibility and adaptable format. Information is produced by analysis of operational and external data and analysis and supports comparison of specific alternative decisions. Components of a DSS. Figure 13.9 depicts various components of a decision support system. They are explained below. Data management system. This is a system where various activities associated with retrieval, storage, and organization of the relevant data for the particular decision context are managed. It also provides security functions, data integrity, procedures, backup, and recovery. Now we can see uh, currency control and general data administration. It can be a relational object oriented or any other suitable database. Model management system. Similar to data management systems, model management system perform retrieval, storage, and organization activities associated with various quantitative models that provide the analytic capabilities for decision support systems. This software model is responsible for analytic and limited reasoning capacity of a DSS. This may contain various statistical and operational research models. Knowledge engine. This module is responsible for activities related to problem recognition and generation of interim or final solutions. The knowledge engine is the brain of the decision support system. Decisions require reasoning and less structured decisions require more reasoning. User interface. This software module provides functionalities for input/output, error capturing and reporting. A common user interface for various decision support systems is not possible as the decisions vary in accordance with the environment of the organization when they are deployed. Types of user interface: keyboard, joystick, mouse, scanner, voice, pen, mouse, touchscreen, etc. Like all information systems, issues related to the user, such as training, skill, motivation levels, are critical. Model management system, data management system, user interface, knowledge engine. So here you can see the components of decision support system. Type of DSS. Oh, various decision support systems are communication driven DSS, data driven DSS, model driven DSS, and knowledge driven DSS. Table 13.4 draws a comparison between MIS and DSS, Management Information System, and Decision Support Systems. So here you can see the table: Management Information System and Decision Support System. Structure of information, source of information, target. So you can see the comparisons here, and here we come to the end of Check Your Progress 2, and in the next lecture we will start with expert systems. So thank you for listening and keep exploring.